Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Let us look at the existing resistance and support levels and current trend of the market. All the supports and resistance levels explained in this video are only for the reference purpose. It's not a trading advice. Please do your own analysis before entering your trades. Let us look at the economic calendar for Monday, 25th April, and when we look at the events plan for Monday, we have bank holiday for New Zealand dollar and Australian dollars, and when we come down also we have bank holiday for Italian bank. At 1:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news on Euro coming up, and at 3:30 p.m. we have low impacting news on British pound and Euro coming up. Then at 8:30 p.m. we have high impacting news coming up on Canadian dollar. There are no news planned for US dollar, and we don't have any high impacting news for major currency pairs, so we can expect low volatility in gold on Monday. Let us start with our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we analyze the price action in daily time frame, I'm drawing the trend line or support line. This is where it started its bullish trend. The price had respected this trend line or support line so far, and here when we look at the price action, it has started to break this trend line. Previously we have noticed only take support and bounce back. Here we have noticed the body of the candle close below this trend line. So if the price action breaks this trend line, let us analyze how low it can go down. I am drawing one more trend line or support line. From here you can notice that the price action has taken resistance on these levels, and it had taken support on this line also. So since this trend line has been respected in the past, we can expect the price action to come down and to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. And when we look at the horizontal support level, 1915 will be the support level for the current price action, because we had noticed price action take support at this level and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So if the price action comes on the bearish trend reversal also, we can expect it to take support on this horizontal support line and the diagonal trend line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal, because this whole area above this 1915 had acted as a very strong support zone in the past also. And when we include the wicks level also, I am drawing one more horizontal support level. So this whole zone between 1915 and 1894 will be acting as a very strong support zone, because in the past we have noticed price action to bounce back whenever it tries to retrace. Only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen in daily time frame. And when we look at the left hand side also, this level had acted as a very strong resistance zone. Now it is acting as a very strong support zone. And on the higher side also, this is the highest level it has gone. So when the price action takes support and bounces back on the bullish trend also, again it has to break this resistance level in order to start its bullish trend reversal. Otherwise we can expect the price action to trade between this resistance and support levels. It will be a sideways market. Let me mark the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. The range between 1979 and 2000 is going to be the very strong resistance level, because we have noticed only the wicks to test this resistance level. Otherwise we have noticed the body closing below this resistance level. And when we look at the another resistance level, 1960 will be acting as a resistance level, because in the past we have noticed this level to be acting as a very strong resistance level, and price had bounced back from this level in the past also. So it has to break this resistance level in order to continue its bullish trend reversal. So currently the price action is trading between this resistance zone and support zone. Previously it was on a very strong bullish trend. Currently it is on a bearish trend reversal. Only when it breaks this support zone or the resistance zone, we can expect a directional market in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I have drawn one more trend line or resistance line over here. Previously, the price action was in a very nice downtrend and it has taken support on this trend line from the daily time frame and bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. Again, it didn't have enough bullishness to go back and retest on the resistance level of 1960 and it has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. Currently, we can notice that this trend line or support line is acting as a support for the current price action and it has lost its momentum on the bearish side and on the bullish side. It is under a consolidation for now in hourly time frame. And if the bearish trend continues also, we can expect it to take support on the higher time frame support level of 1916 and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a downtrend. This will all be the resistance levels when the price action goes on a bullish trend reversal. As long as the price action is trading between this resistance level and support level, it will be a range bound market trading on a sideways. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, I have drawn a resistance line over here and you can notice that the price action is taking support on the price level of 1931 and it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout from this triangle pattern based on which you can take a directional trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are going to be the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame also, it was on a very nice downtrend and now it has started to consolidate within this resistance and support line from the 30 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also, please wait for the directional breakout based on which you can take a directional trades. And looking at the current trend, it was previously in a downtrend. So I am expecting the price action to give a bearish side breakout. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels in 5 minutes time frame. We have come to the end of this analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.